Hello, I will tell you one time how you need to install the Telegram copy. First you need to put this file to the we go File, Open Data folder, then MQL4 and Tab Expert, and you put it here. Just here, like you not need create any folder, just you can put it here, and then close, and then you need to refresh. After this, in the expert tab, you will see all your experts that you have. Not need to see here because I have a lot of my own experts. And when you find it here like Telegram copy, you just drag it and put in the chart, and that's all. Like this, like put in the chart. And here you need to write chat ID, and this chat ID depends on what you channel you choose. For example, you choose this channel, Forex Signal Trader, and the chat ID will be this. It's mean like you need to write here 1, 3, 9, 33, 46, 35 and 8. You write it here. I will copy the my channel, it's named private, it's just for test, and I already like put expert advisor on the chart, and you see it's the same like here, chat ID like here, 24, 97 and 16 in the last, and that's all. Also, this file need open like administrator. Like when you open this file, right button, click and open by like administrator. And then you choose any channel that you want to copy. And I choose, for example, my channel. It's for test and private. I have these letters. Okay, you can click OK now. I not need to do this because I already have. And here private channel. You can also create a channel, and like after this you will see this channel in this list, and you can test, for example, do work copy or no. You will see, for example, buy BTC USD, and here position is open. Position is closed, like this.